Let's drink it without burping. So I can. Wait, before I do it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and y'all don't miss out on no more videos like this one. Let's get started. No, go down. Go down. Go down. Burp. Perfect. Yes, I did it without burping. Alright, that's another video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, get a big, and 2 big thumbs up. For the next video. Bye.